All right, we're gonna change the PCV valve on a 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix 3800 Series 3 V6. First thing we'll do is take off the beauty cover. All right, we're also going to change the PCV tube. There's part number for it. Okay. This tube goes right back here. So we'll just pop it out. See how these there came out. Pop the new one on. Let that go on a little bit. That part, easy peasy. Now, next thing we have is the PCV valve, which is located underneath the map sensor, right here on the side of the intake. So this brittle plastic, so be careful lifting up to unplug it. Connector looks good. Now, this whole thing twists off. And it's brittle plastic too. I'm gonna shift sides here. Yeah, there we have it. There's a little spring load in there. And this is the map sensor. It just sits right in it. Pops right out of there. Alright, clean that up a little bit. Should have popped that out before I took it off. Alright, I got a new one of those. Not the map sensor, a new one of the clips. Compare the parts, make sure they're the same. And they are, essentially. Small differences, but pretty much the same thing. There you go. So, we'll take ours, put it together just like the other one. Got the spring in it. See? And that'll sit down in there. O-ring comes out, and the PCV valve right there. Notice it's got an O-ring on it too. Alright, so this kit comes with replacement O-rings as well as the spring and the cap. Just going to lube it up a little bit, make sure it's fits in there good, and then buckle or roll or get chafed. And the kit, part number, PCV valve, these are all GM parts. Stick it back in there, make sure it's seated all the way. Find your little tabs. Push it down and give it a twist. And your map sensor. Shove it back in the hole. Plug it in. You can cover back on. And there you have it in real time. That was about 6 minutes total time. Changed PCV valve and tube for a 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix.